Welcome to the official YouTube channel of the Pontiff Realty, and I'm your host, David Pope Adidi, a seasoned realtor who has within the past 6 years helped hundreds of people to profit in the real estate industry. So imagine yourself how life would be owning profitable real estate investments in Nigeria or earning income from your real estate portfolio. I can show you proven ways to achieve this and more. On this channel, we'll be showing you premium videos on everything real estate. So get ready to be excited, informed with the following videos: real estate investment, real estate development, real estate business deals, property tech, rental income, the laws governing real estate in Nigeria, and my journey as a realtor. So remember to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on our videos every Wednesday by 8 p.m. West African time. Thank you and God bless you.